Hi everybody. So today we are going to the Era Dubai. Well, on the way I found the Museum of the Future. Here is the view. And amazingly, I also found Dubai frame. This is the zoom view of it. So we are almost in the Era Dubai, and people call it real Dubai. It looks like an old town, and you'll see a lot of ships, cargoes. So we have reached, and right now we are in the middle of the Era Dubai, and this is the first view. There are a lot of shops, and there are a lot of gold shops. It is called Gold Souk. You can see the shops were full of gold, and there were some shops for clothing, spices, perfumes. Everything was really cheap. Look at the amount of gold. That's why they call it Gold Souk. And these shops are full of spices. They smell really good, and they call it Spice Souk. The red thing is saffron. So this is the actual old Dubai, and if you want to buy something, I would recommend come here and buy stuff because everything is really cheap here. We got some perfume, we got some saffron and some clothing.
Welcome to Dubai. This is
They even ask you to try some nuts or dates. Ah. Alright, so we are heading to Al Fahiri neighborhood, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.